Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a quick card share for you. Also, I pulled the winner for the monthly giveaway for all the orders that came in during the month of October. So I'll attach that to the end of this video. Today I worked on a card using our Not Too Shabby Give Thanks stamp set. So it's a really cute stamp set, great for Thanksgiving. Features this girl holding the turkey platter, and then we've got this boy and girl with some pumpkins, and they're sitting on pumpkins there. Really cute. And have you ever thought of like what else you could do with like all these little stamps that come in your stamps? One of the great ways to use them is to just create a background. So what I did was I just took all the little stamps and I just randomly stamped them around my sentiment here. And I think it really looks cute. It's you can go ahead and create a bunch of cards that way. You could leave them on your MISTI and then cut your panels, how many you want to do. So you want to do 5 of them, and then just stamp them and do an assembly line, and then put in the next paper, stamp, put the next paper and stamp, and then maybe do the other side if you don't have enough to go all the way around. So I used the images more than once, each image at least 3 times on my card. And when you're doing cards like this, you really don't have to do a lot of shading. You could basically just lay down the color just to get some color on the images. I think they turn out really cute and they're super fun and easy to do. So on the inside, I just had these previously colored and cut out, so I just pasted those on the inside of my card. That is my quick card share. Stay tuned for the winner. Also, I wanted to mention that there is 2 more days to enter the design team call if anyone's interested in being on the Not Too Shabby design team. I'll have the blog post linked in the description box so you can read all the details. The due date is November 15th. Thanks, guys. While I have you guys here, I want to pull the winner for the monthly giveaway for Not Too Shabby. All the orders that came in for the month of October. I have the last 4 digits in the minimum and the maximum, the first order of the month and the last order of the month. I'm going to hit generate and we'll pull the winner for the prize. So every month I do a little prize for one of the customers. So all you have to do to enter that giveaway is place an order during the month. So let's go ahead and pull the winner. Hit generate. So order number 2308 is the winner, and I will contact them through email. And then all you have to do to claim the prize is reply back to the email letting me know that your shipping address is the same, and I'll get that out to you. For this month's giveaway prize, we are giving away this My Favorite Things Just Delightful pattern paper on point patterns, and then the stamp set Doggone Awesome with the coordinating die. So thank you guys for supporting my shop. I really do appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.